Hold up, Mac. Yo, what's good, everyone? It's your boy Logs or Logan, and welcome back to another Toyota Supra video. We've been grinding these out. This is literally all I've been working on. I do have some things coming for the 9th gen, so stick around for that. But in today's video, we're gonna be installing the Supravworld Coil-On-Plug kit. Obviously, we're not there yet, but we are gonna knock it out because I'm bored and I'm waiting for some things to dry. Just painted the pulleys and stuff, they were ugly. So with that being said, I'm gonna slap the valve covers on here and this coolant hose to the heater core on the back of the head, which that one sucks. Then we can install the Coil-On-Plug kit. I'm super stoked. This is all coming together, you know? So I'm getting excited. All right, everyone, here she is. This thing is beautiful. I've had it in my house for a minute now. I ordered this a while ago. Just been storing it, so. Man, this thing is sick. But before we can install it, obviously we gotta put on our valve covers and stuff. But we've got ECU pins to back pin to the GTE ECU, and we got the wire harness that plugs straight into the igniter connector. So yeah, it's quite literally plug and play. And if I want to go Haltech later on, I can literally just order this connector right here and get a flying lead one from him. And that's the plan anyways, is to go Haltech. So yeah, we got this beautiful unit right here, and we're gonna throw our valve covers on so we can put this Coil-On-Plug kit in. All right, if you guys have a GE, then you know how annoying those heater hoses can be. So I messed up when I was installing them and looped them, but I just got them back where they're supposed to be. Now the valve covers are on, and that should make this install a lot easier. We actually got a freaking blizzard here in Ohio. I mean, it is like pretty high up. All the cars are covered. It's definitely wild. Okay, so I actually painted this part underneath because I didn't want to put, it was crusty, and I didn't feel comfortable putting this part that actually goes with the car from factory with the distributor. I didn't feel comfortable just with like rain and stuff getting under there. So, and I looked and it works, so we're just doing that. So, gotta get these nuts off for this tray to sit in there. 3 and 4. I don't have heat in the shop right now. We've just ran out of fuel. We kind of add it little by little, which really sucks, but. Okay, so drop this bracket in. Like I said, I don't know if this is how you're supposed to run this. He doesn't in his video. I just feel more comfortable doing it. It's nice to know that it actually works if you want to run it like that. I just feel more comfortable that way. There's less stuff getting down in there. But yeah, I feel like it's kind of just up to you. But all right, blast these bad boys down. These 2 brackets he sends, they go on and they sit, one right here and the other right here to kind of make a bridge. And it's also really cool that you can run these when you switch to GTE valve covers. That is so sick. He sends everything you need to adapt it to a GTE style valve cover, because apparently this bracket fits both. So that's really cool. He actually plugs in the number 6 coil first, just because it's a little bit tight back here. So I'll probably be doing that as well. Just make sure they're on the plugs here. number 6 plugged in. It's kind of a pain with these heater core hoses, but all right, got the number 6 in. Push them down. Snug down those 2 Allens. Just like that, we are Coil-On-Plug. And like I said, I'm pretty sure running this bracket underneath the original bracket is like, he doesn't do it, but I made sure that the plugs are sitting on and everything's on there, right? So it should be fine. As far as this wiring goes, got pins that go into the car to backpin to the GTE ECU. Obviously that was my option. He sells a part that is flying lead. I think I've said that like 17 times. This plugs into the stock igniter plug right here. It's kind of out of frame, but this igniter right here, it's your stock igniter. And then this gets grounded to the back of the head. It's pretty straightforward. I'm not gonna do it in this video because I've got a lot more to take care of before I finalize the wiring, but I got a video coming with the complete cam and crank trigger kit, so that'll be one video. After this, it's pretty much turbo kit time. We've finalized everything. Gotta put the front half of the engine back together, but so as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.